Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by making the headphones discoverable and the iPad ready. First, charge the WF-1000XM4 and open the case to power them on. This triggers pairing mode if not previously paired. On your iPad, go to Settings and tap Bluetooth, leaving the page open so the device can appear. Make sure other Bluetooth devices are off or out of range to avoid interference. Once done, watch the Bluetooth list for the Sony WF-1000XM4 to appear. You now initiate the actual pairing. Locate Sony WF-1000XM4 in the iPad's Bluetooth list and tap it. If the iPad asks for permission or shows a pairing code, accept or confirm. There usually isn't a PIN, but you must authorize the connection. While pairing, keep the earbuds close to the iPad and avoid touching the buttons on the earbuds. Make sure the iPad shows Connected next to the device. Do not close settings until the connection is confirmed, then test audio play. To finish, play audio and adjust the iPad volume and any spatial audio settings to confirm sound routes to the WF-1000XM4. For advanced options, open the Sony Headphones Connect app to check firmware, EC, or noise control settings. If pairing fails, try one key fix. Reset the earbuds by following Sony's reset method, toggle Bluetooth off and on in the iPad, then attempt pairing again. This resolves most interference or cached device issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.